Draining of pipeline is done to remove fluid or liquid from the pipeline inside before carrying out any maintenance or repairing work. Draining is normally done from pipeline bottom, and drain valve can be on vertical leg of the pipeline like this, or can be on horizontal leg of the pipeline like this. During draining, along with the fluid or liquid, lot of inside debris is also removed through the drain valve. Normally, gate valve, globe valve or ball valve is provided as a drain valve. Now we will see which valve is most appropriate for the draining purpose. Now construction of a gate valve is like this, and this is the wedge. This wedge moves up and down and valve gets open and closed. Inside the valve there is no such obstruction, and both inside fluid and debris can pass easily throughout the valve. So we can use gate valve as a drain valve, there is no problem. Now you can see closely how wedge of a gate valve moves up and comes down, and the gate valve closes and opens, and valve inside is having no such obstruction. So pipeline inside liquid and all debris can pass through the gate valve. So we can use gate valve as a drain valve. There is no such problem. Now this is the cross-sectional view of a ball valve. This is the ball. This ball rotates by 90 degree from full open to full closed condition, and inside of the valve is purely smooth. So fluid as well as all debris can pass through the valve easily. There is no obstruction. So we can use ball valve as a drain valve. There is no such problem. Now you can see how ball of a ball valve rotates by 90 degree from full open to full closed condition, and during draining, pipeline inside liquid as well as all debris can go through the valve. There is no local obstruction inside the valve, but the valve should be full bore ball valve, not reduced bore. Reduced bore ball valve means bore size of ball is one size lower. So for draining we should use full bore ball valve. This is the cross-sectional view of a globe valve. This is the disc or plug which sits over this seat ring, and this disc moves up and down, and valve gets open and fluid passes like this. But the construction of globe valve is such that there is a cavity here. Due to the shape of the globe valve, in this cavity, lot of debris will be accumulated during draining, and due to accumulation of such debris, maybe after some time this valve disc will not be able to sit over the seat ring, and valve may not be closed properly. So we should not use globe valve as a drain valve. Now you can see clearly how disc of a globe valve moves up and comes down, and the globe valve gets opened and closed, and this is the flow path of the liquid. This is the flow path. So during draining, the liquid or fluid flows like this, but during the draining, lot of debris will be accumulated inside the cavity of this globe valve, and after some time, maybe due to heavy accumulation or huge accumulation of the debris, this disc may not be able to sit over the seat ring, and finally this valve will not be closed properly. So this type of globe valve should not be used as a drain valve, but gate valve and ball valve can be used for drain valve. So we can conclude that gate valve and ball valve are appropriate valve for draining, but globe valve is not appropriate for the draining purpose. But gate valve, globe valve as well as ball valve can be used for venting of the line as a vent valve.